If you're experiencing lag spikes on your Xbox Series X, there are several steps you can take to improve your gaming experience. Follow these steps to help reduce or eliminate lag. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast enough for gaming. Run a speed test to check your download and upload speeds. If your speeds are below the recommended levels, consider upgrading your internet plan or troubleshooting your connection. Step 2. Use a wired connection. Whenever possible, connect your Xbox Series X directly to your router using an Ethernet cable. A wired connection typically provides a more stable and faster internet connection compared to Wi-Fi, reducing lag spikes during gameplay. Step 3. Close background applications. Make sure to close any applications running in the background on your Xbox. Background apps can consume bandwidth and processing power, leading to increased lag. Press the Xbox button, navigate to My Games and Apps, and close any unnecessary applications. Step 4. Clear cache. Clearing the cache on your Xbox can help improve performance. To do this, hold down the power button on the console for about 10 seconds until it turns off. Unplug the power cable for a minute, then plug it back in and turn the console back on. Step 5. Update system software. Regularly check for system updates on your Xbox Series X. Updates can include performance improvements and bug fixes that may help reduce lag. Go to Settings, select System, then Updates to see if any updates are available. By following these steps, you should notice an improvement in your Xbox Series X performance and a reduction in lag spikes. Happy gaming!